It's Hey Dina. And today I'm gonna be doing a mukbang / Q&A. I'm outside right now, filming on my phone by the pool. And the sun is really hitting its golden hour right now. You know how that goes. I'm my melanin sisters. So I'm gonna be answering questions on my Telegram. So, first question is, what is your opinion on men dyeing their hair? I don't really care. Next question. What is your opinion? What is up with full beards, in your opinion? Full beards. I love them. They're cute. Anyway, next. How was your life a year ago? My life a year ago. I guess I was really depressed. Like, I was really, get the fuck out of here. I'm not even eating. Wow. I got some pizza here. But damn. My life a year ago, I was really depressed. I was sad a lot. You know. Damn, I don't even remember how my life was a year ago. But I feel like it was hard. Like, I was moving around a lot. Well, not moving around a lot, but okay, yeah. I was moving around a lot. Didn't really fuck with anybody, really. It was tough. Still kind of don't. I don't know. Next question. This is awkward. Okay. Do you want to go to a big festival someday? Maybe. Shit. I don't know. Yeah. I've never been to a concert before. I've never been to like any like big festivals or anything like that, so that would be cool. Is popularity important to you? No. No, it's really not. You know what's important to me? Money. Okay, if you're not getting money from it, honey, all I need is 3 close friends. I'm okay with that. But if popularity bring you money, then bring me popularity. Okay, next question. Thoughts on fast food? I love fast food. I'm trying to cut down on it though, but my main places I go to are Subway and Wendy's. What do you think about women showing cleavage? It's none of your fucking business, honestly. It's none of your fucking business. Ooh, I'll be cussing. I'm not supposed to cuss. My bad. But it's none of your business. Now is it? Okay, anyway, next question. How about you have a sugar daddy to take care of you and all your needs? See, I thought I wanted a sugar daddy once upon a time, but men are gross and they scare me, so I don't know. Next question. What did you Google as? Porn. No, I'm just playing. I didn't Google porn. What did I Google as? A job application. So, are you currently happy? I'm bipolar. What is loyalty in a friendship, in your opinion? loyalty in a friendship, in my opinion, is like never turning your back on that person. Having that person's back, you know, not doing anything to hurt that person or harm that person. Always staying 10 toes down. Like, I feel like when you're in a friendship, it's like, to even call somebody a friend. See, I don't even want friends, man. I want family. Like, real down-to-earth people like myself. People who know the lines and don't cross them. People like that. You know what I mean? I just got super depressed, by the way. That question. Anyway. How long do you text with someone before meeting them in real life? A year. When's the best time to give flowers to someone? When they've done something good, like an accomplishment or something. Their wedding day, their birthday, their funeral. Shit. I don't know. Their wedding day, graduation, all types of shit. There's tons of occasions. Alright. Do you think people can change? I think people can change if they want to change. If they want to change. That's so cliche. That shit is so cliche, but I've done some things I'm not proud of, and I've changed my ways. All this is cliche. I'm like over life. Like, all this is cliche. No offense to the person asking. Thank you for your questions. My answers are cliche. Because, like, things are cliche for a reason, you know? But anyway, what makes you angry every time you think about it? Relationships. People. Shit. Lots of things make me angry when I think about it. When people misuse words like aesthetic, I've said that before. Like, it's so aesthetic. It who knows, it might be the right way to say it, but like, it just don't sound right to my ear. Are you still friends with a lot of people from your childhood? Next question. What are schools gonna be like in the future? Moment of silence for that copter. I feel like I'm being watched. Okay. What are schools gonna be like in the future? Schools already like what I thought it was gonna be like in the future. They're already back in school, I feel like. But I don't know, just a bunch of badass kids doing what I was doing in school. Wilding, doing the Humpty Hump. I don't know what schools are gonna be like in the future. We'll have to wait and see. What do you think if someone asks you to pay on a date? We can go halvesies. If you ask me on the date, and I'm just an innocent bystander, I expect you to pay. But we could go halvesies at the least. We could go halvesies. Super shy, how find friends? First, don't ask that question like that. Why would you ask it like that? I'm just kidding. You got a friend in me. You got a friend in me. Super shy, how find friends? Go online and like play games, or like join little social networking things that help you find people. Who am I chatting with right now? You guys. When did you wake up today? Around like 11 o'clock. Yeah, my sleep schedule is all out of whack. Name one person you want to go on a date with. I'd rather not. My love life is scattered. I'd rather not. But, you know. Anyway. What is your favorite picture? I'm gonna have to insert that somewhere. Right there. Honey. She's fierce. Baby is fierce. But anyway, throwing her panties. Throw the whole item away. Why do we need it? Just kidding. Well, no, I don't. Next question. Next question. Are you getting tails often? Yes and no. Did you kiss someone today? No, I did. What are the disadvantages of being famous? I'm not famous, honey. I want to say yet, but anyway, you know, is there something you didn't as a kid but you love now? I've been pondering about this question forever. It's actually the opposite. The answer, the question. Are you high? Is there something you didn't as a kid but you love now? I'm not sure how to answer that question. Is there something that I didn't as a kid but I love now? What didn't I like as a kid that I love now? What is it? What is it? Y'all tell me. No, I'm playing. I don't know. What is it? I'm gonna have to come back to that one. If you could get really good at one sport, which one would you choose? Softball. I almost learned how to play softball a little bit, but I guess I didn't make the cut. So really hating right now about that. No, I'm kidding. I really did enjoy playing softball though. It would be softball, and I think basketball is pretty dope. I think basketball is dope. Soccer is dope too. My mom played soccer. What else? Volleyball is cute. Volleyball is cute. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Hello, baby. Hey, baby. Do you have any posters on your wall? Yes. I have one, and then one printout of a Frank Ocean picture that I got off Google Images. Let's see. I'm gonna answer some of the ones that I already answered on YouTube with you guys. So, all right, what are your thoughts on TikTok? It's useful. and funny and fun. Some of the shit on there that I be saying be cracking me up. I'm not even gonna lie. All the dances on there. Y'all should follow me on TikTok, by the way. It's Hey Dina with 3 A's. So Hey, HEYDIN, 3 A's. Opinion on fake tanning, that shit is weird. That shit is weird. I don't see, like, that shit is weird. Like, I don't know. I don't knock people who fake tan, cause that's their business. But it's weird, the idea of fake tan, like, I don't know, like, is it uncomfortable? Like, anyway, what do you think about people who show a lot of skin on the internet? Live your best life. Who cares? Who cares? Oh shit, my hand's shaking. But like, who cares? But my answer on here was, they look better than most people who are on the outside looking in, judging. They're living their best life, so yeah, mind your business. They're living their best life and being sexy while doing so. Your longest relationship, a year. What's your favorite thing to do in your free time? I like to play video games. I like to sing. I like to draw. I haven't drawn in a minute though. I gotta get back on that. Well, actually, that's a lie. That's a lie. I drew a few days ago. Do you have an opinion on people who read a lot? I love to read, so not a negative one. I feel like reading is relaxing and it gets your mind going, and you start to see like images and stuff in your mind. Like it really fuels your imagination. How can I tell a guy I love him? Girl, don't. It's a waste of time. No, I'm playing. Girl, tell him. And if he curve you, curve him back. Be like, I was kidding. I don't really love you anyway, you know? I never even really cared. What do you think about people that donate money? They're good people. I feel like if you donate money to people who need it, good for you. And good for those people. Is there something you always carry around with you no matter where you're going? All this ass. All this little booty. My phone. Okay, my phone. To keep it PG, it's my phone. For you, does marriage come before the kids? Does marriage come before the kids? It depends on how much you love that person. I feel like sometimes people go in not really noticing, not really understanding each other. But at the same time, it's like, damn, it's like, I don't know. I've never been married before. I've never had kids. Should I still answer this? In my opinion, it doesn't matter. Is that bad to say? I don't know. In my opinion, maybe it... Okay. Do I have an opinion? I don't know if I have an opinion on that. Next question. It's a yes and no. That's what I said on here. Yes and no. Because, okay, yes, because you could be so enthralled and in love with a person, and then y'all have a baby and everything's beautiful and y'all life is just great. On the other hand, y'all can have a baby and fall out of love and be arguing, and then the relationship is just ass and you guys break up and the kid don't have no parent. So there's that. Alright, next. Which of your friends do you fight with the most? Y'all are not friends if y'all are constantly fighting. Constantly fighting? If y'all are y'all friends? But then family be fighting too. I might have to come back, but I don't really. What's better to you? Texting or voice messaging? I don't care either way. As long as the person I care about is in my life consistently and reaching out to me. It doesn't matter to me. What's a better or small? Wait, what's better? A small or big friend group? Why? I don't know what I would prefer. Like, I would love a village of friends and shit like that, but at the same time, it's like I don't really need it. I'm just open to receiving caring individuals in my life, regardless of the quantity of people. The answer on here says whichever friend group fully accepts and appreciates you. That's what I said. How do I deal with my ex hating me? Move on. Don't deal with that shit. Okay? You ain't gotta deal with that. Move on. When do you usually go to bed? When I want. What do you think about people who have been married more than once? That's their life. That's their life. You know what I mean? But I said, that's their life. I just think people should do what makes them happy. I don't care either way. I'm real easygoing. I don't judge people. Sometimes I catch myself and I be like, ooh. You know, have a slice of that humble pie. Because you ain't perfect. You ain't God. Well, no, I'm playing. Don't judge people. That's not fair. Everybody fucks up. What do you think of people who don't have respect for their parents? That shit is fucked up. If your parents have done everything in their power to keep you happy and fed and clothed and like, you know, that shit is fucked up. You should love your parents. And your parents should love you. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's fucked up. Next. How do I keep a conversation going? Incorporate your interests, you know. See what they like. Send people memes. Get people laughing. You know, people love memes. So, crack a few jokes. Make people laugh. You know what I'm saying? Your favorite question, how long have you had your dreads? I love when people ask me that, because to be truthful, I didn't ask for dreads. I just was forced to have them. Not forced to have them, but like, my mama just was like, give her dreads. And I had them since I was 2 years old. And so, the reason why it's my favorite question is because I struggled with my confidence. Because I would get bullied a lot about my hair. So when people come up to me asking me like, oh, how long have you had your dreads? It makes me appreciate it more. Like, oh, thank you. And I get compliments on them a lot. I had to grow into loving them. So that's why it's my favorite question. Is there anything you do every day? Complain. No, I'm playing. Complain and carry myself like a queen. And it's not as pretentious as you think. Please do not. Please do not. Please. It's not as pretentious as you think. Like I said, I'm very bipolar. Does a phone have to have a case? Absolutely. What do you use social media mostly for? Communications, aesthetics, networking, and pictures. Would you say you're very messy or tidy? Very organized, but things can get messy, you dig? What you doing? Come pick me up. That's my little sister. I said, hey baby sis, I'm on the way. Tell me about your dream job. Next question. I don't want y'all knowing that. That's a little personal. Which perfume are you using? Nude by Rihanna. What's a big lesson people can learn from your life? Choose yourself. Choose you. Choose you. I'm gonna insert a post right there. Do you think humans have gotten better or worse throughout the generations? Humans have been the same through generations. Good and evil still exist. But what's good and what's evil? You know what I'm saying? Like, what happened? Who made the rules? This shit weird. How did we get here? But anyway, what I said was, humans have been the same through generations. Not that humans are stagnant, but nothing is really new under the sun. It's just that there's social media now and everything is so public. Tell me, how many countries have you already visited? I've never been out of the US, sadly. Opinion on people who betray their friends. They're a disgrace to humankind. How would you describe yourself in one word? Aware. How do you respond to someone saying they miss you? Do you miss them? Like, why are you asking me this? Damn. How do you respond? That shit crazy. We awkward individuals. Ellipsis. I would like to miss you too, but I'm very socially awkward. Best color for a car: white, red, pink, and black. You got money or you broke right now? Stay on my wallet. Why you always sus? What makes you laugh? Random bullshit. Tell me which games you have on your phone. Must we go through this? I have tons that don't even make sense. Like, it's an obsession. My memory is always full. But I have ones that I can name: Call of Duty, Among Us, and some random ass pizza game. Oh shit. Is there something you would like to try? I want to try zip lining, and I want to go dirt bike riding in a group of people one day. Hopefully. What did you do for your last birthday? I got super drunk. Don't drink. Please. Don't drink. What did you... Oh. Favorite city? I haven't been to many, but Las Vegas and Hollywood and Palmdale. Shout out Palmdale. I used to live there. Thoughts on vegetarians? I love them. I hope to be like them one day. Because meat is toxic. Do you have tips that will help me fall asleep faster? Put your phone down or turn on something you know for a fact will help you. Because it's just awkward laying on your back with your eyes closed. Like, now you thinking about sleep. You're not asleep, you're just thinking about it. Like... Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And yeah, thank you. See you when I see you. Peace.